Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Fastly API using token authentication, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with the Fastly API using token authentication, start by logging into your Fastly account. Once logged in, navigate to the API section in your account dashboard. Here, you will find the option to create a new API token. Click on the Create Token button. You will be prompted to enter a description for your token. Provide a name that clearly describes its purpose. Next, choose the permissions that this token will have. Make sure to grant only the necessary permissions for your needs. After selecting the permissions, click on Create Token to generate the token. Once generated, copy the API token immediately. Remember, you won't be able to view it again after this moment. Now, open your preferred API client or command line interface to test the authentication. In the header of your request, add the following key: authorization. Set the value of the authorization header to bearer your _API_ token. Replace your _API_ token with the actual token you copied earlier. Next, specify the endpoint you wish to access in the Fastly API. Make sure to use the correct HTTP method for your request, such as GET, POST, or DELETE. Send your request to the Fastly API. If the token is valid, you should receive a successful response. If there are any errors, double-check your token and its permissions. That's it. You have successfully authenticated with the Fastly API using token authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.